Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to sell on Phantom Wallet. All right. Now, you can't actually sell on Phantom Wallet, but you can go ahead and send your tokens. For example, you have Solana from your Phantom Wallet, send it to a crypto exchange like Binance, okay? And sell the Solana from Binance, then withdraw it if you want to, okay? I'm just going to show you an example. In here, just tap on send. Now go ahead and find maybe Solana. So what we'll do is just find Binance and get the Solana wallet address. So in here, under your Binance account, if you have one, or even if you don't, you can go ahead and click on the link below in the description or in the comments for you to be able to earn an exclusive lifetime 20% fee discount and a $100 bonus. Also, it will help support the channel. Now going back in here, just go to assets. Now go ahead and tap on add funds right here and just tap on chain a deposit. Okay. And here go ahead and find Solana right here. Tap on it. Now select Solana once more. Tap on OK. Now copy the deposit address. Okay. Now once that's done, go back to Phantom Wallet. And then here under to tap and hold, just tap on paste. There you go. Tap on next. And then here, type down the amount of SOL that you wanted to send to the crypto exchange, maybe 10. And here's the amount, okay? Now, once that's done, just tap on next and follow the simple prompts. And out of that, go back to your Binance wallet and check if it reflects now, okay? You'll be able to see under crypto, Solana will be listed in here. Now, what you can do is just go ahead and withdraw it. Now, if you want to know how to withdraw money from Binance, you can go ahead and check the video on our channel that is titled How to Withdraw Money from Binance, okay? But that's it for now. That is how you sell by using the Phantom Wallet. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.